do not read this. The need for this to better a score in coming JEE Advance, I share my personal view of the last 4 decades about mathematics. Never read mathematics. Always adopt pen and paper for doing mathematics, otherwise you will deceiving yourself. You will never be able to reproduce the solution of the questions in the examination unless or until you have done it earlier in writing. The second point, keeping in mind university papers, to create in you to confidence, the best method is that after you have done on the chapter or more chapters, turn to the university papers or previous questions papers of JEE Advance given in the end and do the questions of these chapters independently, and in case you are able to do the questions of the chapters independently, and in case you are able to do them, then and only then you should feel confident of doing well in the examination. The third point, which is most important, selection. There is no harm in making the selection of books, that is differential equation, integral calculus, and differential equations, coordinates, trigonometry, algebra, etc., statistics, dynamics, which are going to prepare or even selection of chapter of any of these books. But whatever you decide to prepare, you should prepare it very thoroughly. Do all types of questions. Do not make selection out of the selection. This is most important. Do not make a selection out of the selection. Otherwise, you will always suffer from a lack of confidence. Remember it. Better know everything of something rather than something of everything. And nothing like if you know everything of everything. Pay special attention to the questions and articles given in the list of important questions in the last 20 years. Now, the fourth point is revision before examinations. Important formulas. Next, before going to your class, regularity in the study.